Namaste to all of you. I found the other day um, while evaluating the Google form, if I give a tough question, probably if I copy from Google and post it, knowingly I do it as it is verbatim. Let that be the toughest 25 people out of 50, 60 people say 50% of you will do it correct. But if I give a simple problem which is not there in Google, if I create myself and give you, hardly one or two people can answer it. That shows all of you are very tricky, very intelligent. You know how to copy from Google, or maybe you share answer somewhere, and you are good in cheating. I do it intentionally to test, and such answers I just ignore because I know you are doing it like that. Because if same or similar problem with less difficulty, if I ask you, this is the true nature of a student. That is how everybody is trained to do this mischief. My intention is not to give you marks or to see whether you are doing it right or not. The intention is to teach you little bit of logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability, mathematics communication to you as young children who are in front of me. But I found hardly any of you are interested in this. That is because if I insist that you should have discussion in the group created, probably somebody will post it. If I post some questions, you will post. It's almost 3-4 days over. I am not sure that you are not very busy in elections. You have no interest at all. I have not seen anybody coming with a question of explaining. So I don't think it's worth investing time for you. Maybe pick up some question from internet and then post it and show a PowerPoint. Show you this is how it is solved. This is the question. This is the answer. This is the formula to be used. Don't use your brain. Use formula. That's how you require, nothing more, I think. I have not seen any interest, so it's so pathetic. It's worth talking to somebody in a language that you understand. If you don't understand in that language, I should not speak to you in that language. If you don't like, I remember when I traveled in Himalayas, we had kaju, kismis, dry fruits and all that. When we give it to somebody, they just throw it because they don't know the value of that. That's how it is. Even if pearl is given to a monkey, it doesn't know what is to be done. So I don't think you all worth learning from me, because either you are not in tune with me, or you have better job to do, or you are not that interested in hearing from me or learning from me. It's okay. I've been given a task. As long as I feel like doing it, I will do it. That's it. There is no extra interest in you, and I should not respond that way also. So I don't think I have to give you questions or Google form. To create a Google form, post it, evaluate it, look at it, all are foolish, because you know how to look at Google and then post it. You don't know how to create a question. You are not interested. You are not interested in learning something special. And if I tell you also, you have no response. Yeah, you tell what you want, we will do what we want. That sort of a people you are. It's good that if there are at least 10 people who are good, who are interested to learn. But I am not seeing even one person or two person is there, they could continue. questions or discussions. I have not seen for last 3-4 days no discussions. It's not that those problems are not important or not. And I enter at 10:50 here. 20 people joined by 11 o'clock, 25 people. And then now 45 people joined after 11 in 5 minutes. So if you could join 5 minutes early, we could have saved that time, but that is also not there. So I'm sure you are very busy people. You have many more things to do. You have many different things to do, and you have less interest in what we discuss here. That's why it happens. You want probably attendance. You want probably internal marks. No knowledge. It's good. Brilliant people. Tough questions, you do it. But simple questions, if it is not in Google, you cannot do it. When I ask questions, give a small simple question and then ask you something. Here only 2-3 people respond. Rest of the people don't care. They have no interest. I have not seen. I am not going to pick up people, call by name, ask them to answer. All that is not essential, because you are not LKG, UKG children. Though 50% or 60% of you behave like KG students even now. I thought you are in a university and you are a graduate student. You should keep that tempo. That's how I have seen students in the best colleges and universities. Anyway, today I thought I will do some simple problems, though you may not be interested, but that's what I thought I will do it, because one or two people who are interested probably could get some benefit, though they are very strict. Only during the timetable given time they will do, rest of the time they have many other things to do. Let me ask you a simple question. Let me see how any new people have got some little brain will come and answer me. A fruit seller has some oranges with him. He sells 40% of the fruits. I hope you have pen and paper and you are writing. If it is you are writing, it's good for you. A fruit seller has some very specific oranges, say. He sells 40% of the oranges, and still he has 420 oranges with him. 40% is sold, 420 oranges are with him. How many oranges he had originally is my question. A fruit seller has got some bunch of oranges. He sells 40% of them, and the balance orange he has got is 420 oranges. So originally how many oranges he had is the question. Let me see who can answer it.
1050.
Who is that who answered?
It is me, sir.
Me is not the answer.
Patil.
You must give
Anurag Patil.
Anurag Patil. It's wrong, Anurag. I think the number is non. 40% is sold, 420 oranges he has. Tell your name and then give the answer. See, a question like this you take long time. Pardon? No, Tejaswini, tell me.
700.
Wait, Tejaswini, wait.
Okay, sir.
If I give a question like this in Google form, probably it is not in internet available, then you give a wrong answer. If it is, that's why I'm not probably, I'm not seeing answers from students. But if same is given in Google form, I'm sure 50% of you will answer, because somewhere you can Google and then find these answers and then you will post it there. How did you solve, Tejaswini?
Sir, I use cross multiplication method.
Tell me the figure and the way you have written down somewhere for doing it, read it out.
So, it says 40% of the fruits are already sold.
Yeah, continue.
So,
Hmm.
so I took 420 is equal to 6, x is equal to 4. I did cross multiplication and I got 280. So 420 plus 280 is equal to 700.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all the way you interpret. Anybody else who wanted to try in a different... somebody got a wrong answer, no? Was that Anurag?
Sir, what's the question? I had network problem. I joined just now.
You cannot join just now, no? 11.
Yes, sir. I had a network disturbance. I didn't have internet since 20 minutes.
A fruit seller sold 40% of his oranges and the balance is 420. What is the original number of oranges he had? Anurag gave an answer. Can you explain, Anurag? Where did you go wrong?
He sold 40% of his oranges.
Yeah, Anurag, repeat the answer.
Yes, sir. I took 40% of X, which is the original amount of oranges.
No, actually, original or percentage is 100%.
Yeah.
So 420 will become 60% because 40% he already sold.
Okay.
So 60x divided by 100 will become 420. It's very simple. 60x divided by 100, that is 6x divided by 10. So then you cross multiply, you get x is equal to 700. That's the answer. It's very simple. See, how do you translate that English, the problem, into equation? What Tejaswini did is also correct. It's the way you look at the problem. See, 60% is balance. So 60x divided by 100 is equal to 420. Then multiply, you get x. Okay, let me ask you another question. The price of sugar went down by 10%. Therefore, if you had 2,700 rupees with you, you can get 5 kg extra because the price of sugar went down by 10%. If you go with the 2,700 rupees, you can get 5 kg extra sugar. What is the difference in price? Or if you tell what is the price of the sugar now, what is the price of earlier, you know what is the price of.
Sir, I think we need extra information.
What is that you want?
How many kgs would he get with 2700 without discount?
I don't have to give you that. That is the crux of the problem. 2,700 rupees, that is 2,700 rupees he has got 5 kg extra. When did he get 5 kg extra? When the price was 10% less than the original price.
Okay.
So that 10% is 5 kgs. So
You,
that would be 500.
Vishweshwar, you don't explain while doing it. You get the answer, then you tell me the answer. If it is correct, I will ask you to explain. Otherwise, you are confusing others.
No, I'm confused. So that is what I'm asking, sir.
You ask the question, don't repeat it. What is the question you have?
So it is, he has 2,700 rupees.
Yeah.
So, and he got 10% extra.
I said 5 kg extra sugar he got when the price was 10% less.
Okay.
These are actually very simple problems. What I am confused among you is you are not able to solve simple problems, but a difficult problem which is copied from somewhere is given. You are very smart. Idea is not getting answer from you. Idea is whether you got the trick of logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical communication. Do you have that brain to think? Do you know how to transfer a problem into an equation? Is it not that no people have that interest? Yeah, I should also develop the skill. These are problems somebody in the world is solving. Why am I not able to solve fast? Let me learn this trick. That interest should be there, no? Where have you gone? Nobody is alive. Simple problem. A 6th class student will be able to solve this. Little brain, that's enough. And the time in a competitive exam to solve this problem is 1 minute, less than a minute, 40 seconds.
Sir, so what is the answer? Much is the price, right?
Some price if you give, that is good enough. If you know the price is good enough. If you know one price, the other price you can find out easily. The difference in price is what I want. If you know the first price and second price, you know the difference in price.
Please, sir, I test how it's like
Vishweshwar, your sound is not
30,
clear.
sorry, 30.
It is cutting in between.
I'm getting it as 30, sir.
What is 30?
But I'm not understanding.
No,
Like,
what is 30? You should tell me, no? You got something. What is 30 you got?
the price for 5 bags, 5 kgs.
I did not ask price for 5 bags. Okay. But 5 bags 30 is wrong. It is very simple. If you think price for 5 bags is 30, then you know what is the price, how much sugar he can get, what is the difference between the prices, what is the original price, what is the new price, what is the old price. All that you can compute and check whether it is correct in your. That is how you should check the answer.
Yes, sir.
Whether the 10% reduction you get to 5 kg extra, all that you can check, no? Whenever you get an answer, if you wanted to present it, you must check whether you are correct or not. If 30 is
Sir,
the.
is it 4?
What is 4?
The difference between the actual price and reduced price of sugar.
That means the original price is how much and what is the.
I don't know the actual price, sir.
No, you should know now. Now you can compute. You know the price difference. You know the original price. You know the next price. Because you know the quantity purchased. You know the percentage. Everything is known.
Sir, we don't know the quantity purchased.
You know, no? Because you know 2,700 rupees is what he had. 2,700 he had. He got 5 kg more. When the price was reduced to 10%. That itself is good enough to compute how much kg you purchased, how much kg you will get extra. If somebody gets extra, you must know from where you got extra. If you know the price, you know how much quantity. If you know the quantity, you know how much is the price. It's only single parameter you have to compute. That's it. Either you get the quantity he purchased or you get the price he paid. If you know that price difference is this much, you know 10% is that much. Therefore, you know the original price. That's also known. If somebody says 10% price is reduced and you are knowing that how much is reduced, then you know the original price. I'm sure 50% or 60%, 70% of people are simply idly waiting. Let somebody solve it. Let me look at it. No confusion also, no? No questions also. No discussions also. No doubts. Oh, I am not able to solve it. Somebody in the other day told in the class, I am not able to solve. I need your help. I said, you can put your questions in the chat box in the group. No questions were there. I said, if you are not want to put there, you can call me. No call was there. That's why I'm going down to the lowest logical reasoning questions. Someone, let me see one good student in the what a standard. The price of sugar gone down by 10%. If the price is 10% less, the buyer gets 5 kg extra sugar for 2,700 rupees when he purchases. The money he has is 2,700.
Sir, so is 10% of that 90 rupees?
I told you, don't ask me question back. I want either the quantity which he purchased, or I want the price for which he purchased. That's all what I want.
Sir, I assume, what I assume is he bought 10 kgs for 2,700.
Why do you assume 10 kg? See, that itself is wrong, no? See, the problem is you people start assuming some 10 kg purchased. That itself is wrong. You cannot assume some number in mathematics to start solving the problem. That thought process is what I wanted to know. I wanted to tell you where you are going wrong. If in mathematics, if problem is to be solved, you should not assume some number. You should assume it is X. Now the price difference is what is asked. So assume that, I will give you a clue. Assume that the cost of sugar is X. Suppose rupees X is the cost of sugar.
Yeah.
So 2,700 rupees. I wish all of you write 2,700 rupees. How much kg sugar he will get?
Sir, so here we are having
See,
two variables.
Vishweshwar I given. Now I am explaining. I am asking you a question. If you can answer that question, you answer it. I asked you a question now. 2,000. My question was 2,700 rupees. If X is the price of the sugar, how much quantity he can get? That is simple. Very simple, no? 2,700 by X is the quantity of sugar he can purchase. Correct? Good boy.
Yeah.
Now, assume the price is reduced by 10%. Earlier price was X. What is the present price?
10, X minus 10.
Huh?
X minus 10%.
See
X
why?
minus 10.
See, this is what that is the idea which I want you to get into your brain. If 10% reduced, the cost will become 0.9x. Correct or not? Somebody says 10x minus x divided by 100 and all that. What is that? 10x minus x divided by 100. What is that? 0.9x. See, that should be the simplest thing you should remember. 0.9x. So now how much he will get? Assume with the 10% reduction out of 2700 rupees, how much sugar he will get? Vishweshwar already answered it is 2700 divided by x when the price is normal. Reduced price, it will become 2700 divided by
0.9.
0.9x. Wonderful, very good. What is 5?
Yeah.
5 is
5 is the price. Is this one into 5? Into.
no, where is into? How much quantity he will get now? How much quantity otherwise he would have got? The difference is 5.
Yeah.
So what is the difference? 5.
Yeah.
5 is equal to
2700 by x minus 2700 by.
Vishweshwar, this is where
0.9x
this is where your logic is wrong. I am saying 0.9x is more or x is more. Dividing by x is more or dividing by 0.x is more. 9 is more.
X is more. X is more.
X is more.
0.9x division is more or x division is more.
X.
Like 0.9x gives the more value.
Yeah,
Like when
so
we
it should be 2700 divided by 0.9x minus 2700 divided by x.
Okay.
So 2700 divided by 0.9x minus 2700 divided by x equal to 5. Solve this, you got x. Thinking like this is what I want all of you to have, which no Google can give you. And if you just copy from Google and if you just copy from some slides, you don't think with me. That's why I said logical reasoning is making you to think. And that thinking process is not of your interest. I am sure you are never going to win in any of these thinking examinations where thinking is must. In mathematics, always you should take x, y as parameter and start solving the problem. And don't complicate. It's very simple. 2700 divided by x kg sugar he will get. When price is reduced, it will become 2700 divided by 0.9x kg sugar. The difference is what is x. And somebody says it is this smaller quantity minus bigger quantity. What a brain is that? Which is bigger? Dividing by x is bigger, dividing by 0.9x is bigger. That is the logic which you should have. So how much you got? X equal to? Even that you did not get, no?
60 rupees, sir.
X equal to?
60.
X equal to 60. So what is the original cost? 60. So 10% less. What is the percent cost? Don't again do multiplied by 10 divided by 100 and all that. Already I told you. Earlier I asked you to do mental computation. 60 is the cost. What is the 10%?
54 rupees, sir.
6 is the 10%, therefore 54 rupees. So the difference is 6 rupees. How do you check it is correct or not? 60 multiplied by or 2700 divided by 60, you get some number. That much sugar he will get when the cost is 60 rupees. 2700 divided by 60. How much is that? 45 kg he will get. And when it is reduced by 10%, the cost is 54. So how much he will get? 2700 divided by 54, that is 50 kg. So in the original cost 60 rupees he gets 45 kg, 54 rupees kg he gets 50 kg. So he gets 5 kg more. Simple,
I got the difference of six,
simple
sir.
question, very simple question. But
Yeah,
that need little bit of thinking, and that thinking you must be able to explain it to your own brain, not to somebody's. And that logic is what you need. Okay, let me ask you another question. A person A can do a work in 6 days. A person can do a work in 6 days. B can do the same work in 8 days. So actually you have to write A and put an arrow mark, write 6 days. Put B, put an arrow mark, 8 days. That's it. So converted that into mathematics. A and B together did the job for 3,200 rupees. Both A and B were given the job, together they finished the job. That means it is not 6 days, it is not 8 days. They were put together. So they must have finished it much faster, earlier. A and B together finished it for 3,200 rupees. Now assume another C person who comes and then he also joins. But then ABC worked together, the job was finished in 3 days. Assume the job is finished by 3 days. Cost is same, 3,200 rupees only. Because
ABC together finishes it in 3 days.
3 days, 3 days.
Okay.
Now, how much money C got is the question. Or, yeah, what if you know how to get the ratio of ABC, then you know how much each person got. How much money C got as his payment, his portion, his part is the question. A can do it in 6 days, B can do it in 8 days, ABC together finished in 3 days. The total amount paid was 3,200 rupees. So how much C got as his remuneration, his payment? If A alone is doing 6 days, if B alone is doing 8 days, A and B together when they work, they got 3,200 rupees. If C comes for help, they could complete, ABC together could complete the work in 3 days. How much money is to be paid to C? This is a mathematical problem. Therefore, A, B, C are all individuals who will do similar job, similar time, similar capacity, similar efficiency. Unless it is specified A is less efficient, B is less efficient, C is less efficient or something. It's all understood. They are like mechanical. Equal opportunity, equal efficiency. With up to 12th class knowledge and education, you are not able to solve this because of not your problem. This is how you are taught mathematics. This is how your questions in mathematics were some question, some answer. No logical thinking, no buddhi is required. somewhere some problem, same problem is asked in answer question in examination, all you get in very good marks and you think you know mathematics. That's where it is wrong. Mathematics, this is actual basic mathematics like ABCD, which you can use to create words, language of literature, language for communication, what you use. This is mathematical communication. If you know this, you know really mathematics. Otherwise, you know how to read Shakespeare without understanding English. You can solve big problems without understanding the language. Anybody? These are all problems which require less than 1 minute, 40 seconds, and then we are spending 40 minutes to solve 2 problems or 3 problems.
Sir, even if A did it in 6 days, it would be 3200 for Amode, right? The payment.
See, whoever does it, if A alone is employed, he will get 3,200 rupees. If B alone is employed, he will get 3,200. If A and B together, they will divide it as their share. But if C is also involved, that is how it is shared. But if A, B, C together is involved, it finishes in 3 days. That is the crux. Is it done?
Sir, we should
Sir, 1 by
find
4.
the-
4.
What is 1 by 4? He will get 1 by 4 rupees or what?
No, sir. He does the work in 4 days. So that is 4 is to 6 is to 8. Sorry, 6 is to 8 is to 4, sir.
No,
C cannot do it in 4 days.
you tell me how much money he will get. C alone can do it in 4 days means how much you will get. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm calculating, sir.
Yeah, my question is that is how I don't want different answers. How much money he will get for 3 days? Or how much money each one of them will get also is good enough. Okay, somebody has another answer? Anybody has got
Sir,
answer?
711, sir.
It's wrong, beta. Can you explain how did you do it?
I took it as like 1 day, 1 by 6 plus 1, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 plus
Why?
1
Okay,
by,
let me ask you, why is it 1 by 6 by 1 by 8?
It is per day, sir. Like, since we can't calculate directly, we take it as the amount of work done by A is equal
Yeah.
to 1 by 8 on 1 day.
Okay, let me tell the amount. See, you should be able to explain it very clearly. If A can do it in 6 days, the amount of work A can do or contribute
In
is
1
1
day.
by 6, 1 day. B can do it in 1 by 8, the contribution of work.
Yeah.
Okay, now what is C's work? A day's
1 by X.
No, that is not 1 by x. That is where it becomes simple for you. See, that will become, yeah, C's work in 1 day will become,
3 minus 1 by 6. plus
no,
1 by
it
8.
is not 3 minus. It is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. The C's 1 day work will become, now A's 1 day work is 1 by 6, B's 1 day work is 1 by 8, C's 1 day work will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8.
Okay. I was confused whether to take it as 3 or 1 by 10.
Yeah, that is where, I know that is where you went wrong. So that will become 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. So that will become 1 by 3 minus LCM is 24, 7, yeah, 7 by 24, that will become 1 by 24, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is the ratio in which they work now? Now you know 1 by 6 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 24 is the work done by A is to B is to C.
Yeah.
That is, if you take again LCM 24, you will get it is 4 is to 3 is to 1.
Yeah.
You can check that correct or not, because 4 into 6 will become 24, 3 into 8 will become 24.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Now what is the share of A? That will become, what is the share of A, B, C? Everybody you can compute. That will become 4 into 3200 divided by 24. B will get 3 into 3200 divided by 24. C will get 3 into 1 by 24
1 by
into 3. So that he will get 400 rupees. The C's share for 3 days will be 3 into 1 by 24 multiplied by 3200. For A it will be 6 into 4 by 24. The other person will be 8 into 4 by 24. So the total, if you add, you will get exactly 3200. That is how you can check. When you check this, create such a lot of problems, do it by yourself. I am sure after some time you will feel, yeah, I know the problem. That confidence is what you should get. That confidence is what you should get. Only when you do multiple problems, ask somebody else, debate, not copy from some textbook, show that it is there in this page number and the answer is also explained there, will not be helping you. So if your colleagues are good, you are good, you will post a problem without copying from somewhere as it is. Probably you can modify a little bit so that nobody can find that somewhere. And if you want to cheat, you can find it. But if you want to debate and get the answer, that's the best method. Okay, let me ask you a simple problem. A and B together complete a work in 4 days. A and B together complete a work in 4 days. If A alone can complete the same work in 12 days, A alone completes in 12 days. How many days B alone can complete the work? I am asking a simple problem. A and B together in 4 days, A alone in 12 days. How many days can B alone complete that work?
Sir, can you repeat the question? My call got disconnected.
A and B together can do the work in 4 days.
Okay.
A alone can do that in 12 days. How many days B can complete the work?
So is it 8?
No, beta. Think again. Just now I gave the method in solving it. A and B together, it is 4 days. That means A and B together, 1 day's work will be 1 by 4. Are you getting?
6, sir. 6 days.
Yeah. Now that is the crux. A and B together does in 4 days. Immediately what you should do? A and B's together 1 day work will be 1 by 4. A alone can do it in 12 days. That means A is 1 by 12. So what is B's work? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. That will become 1 by 6. If 1 by 6 is what B can do, how many days he will finish? In 6 days. This is very simple, but I will tell you this is not very simple. For most of the people it is not simple because they are not thinking. They are allowing somebody else to think, do the problem, give me the answer. It will not help. You should think. How can a teacher make you to think? I can only tell you, you must think, don't copy, don't wait for somebody else. Tell, speak, and if you are not able to understand, ask. Create questions and put it there. If you are brilliant, you can create questions and put it there. Unfortunately, whatever we create, it is there in the internet. But don't solve it by copying. Don't take it from a cat book or mat book or somewhere and paste it there in the page. It is all there. Everywhere it is there. Everywhere it is there will not give you. There are lot of words in the dictionary will not make you a good vocabulary person unless you use it for your purpose. There are a lot of eatables in the restaurant. That doesn't make you to. You have to eat yourself. Then only you feel energetic. You are all seeing it is there, it is there, it is there. So what? It doesn't help you. The logic of solving. I am sure all of you can solve it if you think, if you sit down and then do it. That is what I expect. All of you can put your attendance and go. It's 11:50. I guess as you enter, you must put your attendance in the chat box I told. I guess all of you would have put. If not, you can put and then go. I took more time in explaining, so I couldn't give you. Otherwise, also, I don't know whether you require Google form. Why should I take a trouble of forming and then giving it to you? Because you are not using anyway your brain. You think you cutting and pasting and copying and giving is what is required. Do you think I don't know? In between, I will give one problem from the internet. 20-30 people, yeah, answered. Very good. Tough question, everybody answered. Simple question, same person is not able to solve. It is for your benefit. Keep practice, post it. That's why group was created. Silent for 3-4 days. Everybody is very busy. Election. Hope some wisdom will come some point of time and start having some interest in learning.
So you had to apply for KBC, sir. You had to apply for KBC.
I didn't get.
You have to apply for Komberga Korpogi.
I heard up to apply. For what I did not get.
Just a moment, sir. Just a moment. Hello?
Yeah. What you have to apply, Akash?
You had to actually, you had to actually apply for KBC, sir.
Who? Me?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, you.
Why should I?
So because all the logical answers are very apt and helpful, sir.
What is
Really
KBC?
good.
What is KBC? Yeah?
Komberga Korpogi.
My friend Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, sir. You could actually apply there.
I was there with Amitabh Bachchan 5 days together
Huh?
in Muscat. Yeah.
When, sir?
2011.
Oh, great, sir.
You can see I am being interviewed by Al Zira TV when Amitabh Bachchan is sitting beside me in the stage.
Oh,
March.
interesting, sir.
Yeah, what do you think, Akash?
So what can I think, sir? No, maybe we are just like e-car approach, sir.
What do you do with the money? 1 crore.
What do I do, sir? Nothing. I don't do anything. Just for experience I'm moving. I don't want to go for experience.
Yeah. You are all blessed. You are at young age. If you think you want to study, you can study.
Yeah, sir.
There is lot of time. There is lot of resources. But you don't know how to interact, how to ask. The last 2-3 postings on my YouTube, you must listen how a student learns, how a student appreciates. My discussion with my student. What a beautiful discussion. You must learn how to respond. That is communication. That is where you should learn how communication is to be done. My students do communicate very well. Some of them. As an example only I posted.
Yeah, sir.
You must look at it and comment. I am not seeing any one of you from, I don't know, this. I have not seen anybody of you commenting there, looking at it. The YouTubes are there. I gave the link. Akash, you got the link, right? But you,
Yeah.
I did not see you.
I didn't watch those things.
What is that? Yeah, don't tell me all this.
I'll watch it, sir. I have a link.
It's 11:55. You have the next class.
Also, recently posted something, right? Discussion, performance, opportunity, skill, and attitude.
Yeah. More than the content, same content I must have given lectures, must have been spoken to many people. But this specifically I made into pieces and then posted because the student who is listening to me, who is interacting with me is so good, so interactive, so communicative. Communication is not speaking. Communication is receiving, understanding, and acknowledging it. Yeah, I got it. That's wonderful. That should be the method in which people should communicate. Just to show that to some, as an example, I posted.
Yes, sir. Oh, you have many videos.
What do you think? Look at Amitabh Bachchan, Dr. TPS. I don't know whether it is there or not. Maybe in blog. I'll post you, give you the blog link.
Yes, yes, everything.
Black and white, Dr. TPS. Black and white is for movie. Black and white, Dr. TPS blog. Film. You type film, Dr. TPS and type blog. You will get Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt, Razul Pukuti, Major Ravi, Dr. TPS. Were people who participated. Oh man, I was the person who initiated
I know
this.
this.
2011. Okay, it's time. I think you have to join other class. 11:57.
I didn't get it, sir.
WhatsApp to me, then I will give you that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you. There are nine more people. I don't know. They must be sleeping, or they must have lost connection.
Yep, I said a mistake.
Yeah, I'll see.